Ethereum and Solana, two of the biggest names in blockchain. But which one will dominate the future? Welcome to Crypto Wayfarer. Today, we're going beyond the hype to break down the real differences between Ethereum and Solana. From technology and developer activity to ecosystems, risk, adoption, and investment potential. If you're thinking about which one to invest in for 2025 and beyond, this video is for you. Let's start with what they are. Ethereum is the original smart contract platform, launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and others. It introduced programmable blockchain technology and laid the foundation for DeFi, NFTs, and DAOs. Today, Ethereum is the backbone of Web3. Solana is a younger chain, launched in 2020, designed for high-speed and low-cost performance. It was built to solve Ethereum's scaling limitations without relying on Layer 2 networks, and it's doing just that, but not without trade-offs. Let's talk technology. Ethereum runs on a proof-of-stake model with a large validator set, ensuring decentralization and security. But it's slow, averaging around 30 transactions per second on Layer 1, and expensive. That's why it relies on Layer 2s like Arbitrum and Optimism for scalability. Solana, on the other hand, is blazing fast. Over 65,000 transactions per second under ideal conditions, and transaction fees are less than a cent. It uses a unique mechanism called proof of history, which timestamps transactions before consensus, boosting throughput massively. However, Solana's architecture comes with trade-offs. It's more complex, harder to run as a validator, and has historically suffered from outages. Ethereum is more battle-tested and resilient, but slower and more fragmented due to Layer 2s. So which model is better? That depends on what you value more: decentralization and security, or speed and simplicity. Let's move to developer ecosystems. Ethereum has the most developers in crypto. According to Electric Capital, Ethereum consistently leads in monthly active developers. This means more dApps, more upgrades, and more innovation happening on Ethereum than anywhere else. Solana is growing rapidly, though. Its developer activity surged in late 2023 and 2024, particularly in gaming, mobile apps, and consumer-facing crypto. While Ethereum attracts institutions, Solana attracts builders looking for speed and low fees. Now let's compare real usage and adoption. Ethereum dominates DeFi. Over 70% of all total value locked in DeFi is still on Ethereum or its Layer 2s. Major protocols like Aave, MakerDAO, and Uniswap live here. Institutions are building on Ethereum, and it's where regulators focus their attention. Solana shines in retail applications. NFT marketplaces, fast gaming platforms, mobile wallets, and real-time dApps thrive here. In 2024, we saw the Solana Phone initiative and popular apps like Jupiter, Phantom, and Memecoins driving huge daily volumes. So while Ethereum is the institutionally trusted layer of crypto finance, Solana is the chain of speed, UX, and mass adoption. Both serve different audiences, but that's what makes this comparison interesting. Let's talk risks. Ethereum's biggest challenge is scalability. Even with Layer 2s, the user experience can be clunky. Bridging, syncing wallets, and high fees can turn off new users. Solana's biggest challenge is reliability. Multiple network outages in its early days raised concerns about centralization and technical stability. Though recent updates have improved this, some skepticism remains. From a security perspective, Ethereum is more robust. From a performance and simplicity angle, Solana wins. Now let's talk investments. Ethereum is considered a blue chip. It's the second largest crypto asset by market cap and is seen as a long-term hold. Institutional investors are already allocating to ETH, and with ETH ETFs potentially coming, the upside could grow. Solana is more volatile but offers greater upside potential. Its price movements are faster, its retail appeal stronger, and its ecosystem is innovating rapidly. It also saw a revival in late 2024, despite market downturns, a sign of resilience. So which one should you invest in? The honest answer? Both, but with different weights. If you're conservative, Ethereum should be your core. If you're growth-focused, Solana deserves more room in your portfolio. Some smart investors hold Ethereum for stability and Solana for speed and upside. Diversification between these two could be one of the smartest crypto strategies heading into 2025. In summary, Ethereum is the veteran, decentralized, trusted, scalable through layers, but still slower and costlier. Solana is the challenger, fast, efficient, retail-friendly, but still proving itself in terms of long-term stability and decentralization. As crypto evolves, both chains may coexist, just like iOS and Android, or Windows and Mac. Your strategy should match your goals. So, which do you believe will dominate? Let us know in the comments. And if you found value in this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe. This is Crypto Wayfarer, bringing clarity to crypto, one video at a time.